Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Rivian Charge Network for road trips, full guide step by step clearly. To register with the Rivian Charge Network for road trips, start by visiting the official Rivian website. Look for the Charge Network section on the homepage. Click on the link to access detailed information about the Charge Network. Find the sign up or register option on the page. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a secure password. You may need to add your vehicle identification number, or VIN, during the registration process. Follow the prompts to enter any additional information requested, such as your name and contact information. Read and agree to the terms and conditions provided. After submitting your information, check your email for a confirmation message. Click the link in the confirmation email to verify your account. Once verified, log into your Rivian account using your credentials. Navigate to the Charge Network section within your account. Locate the option to view or manage your charging preferences. Familiarize yourself with the locations of Rivian charging stations along your intended route. Before embarking on your road trip, plan your charging stops based on your travel itinerary. Keep the Rivian app handy to monitor charging station availability in real time during your trip. Ensure your vehicle is fully charged before setting off for your adventure. Enjoy your road trip with peace of mind, knowing you are connected to the Rivian Charge Network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.